Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something exciting for all you aquarium enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of fish tank filters, and we've got the best hob filter on the market, the Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter. Stay tuned because we're about to explore all its fantastic features and why it's a must-have for your aquarium setup. Introducing the Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter. If you're a fish lover like me, you know how important it is to maintain a clean and healthy environment for your aquatic friends. This hob filter is designed to make that job easier than ever before. Let's jump right into the details. First and foremost, let's talk about the key features that make this filter stand out from the crowd. One of the standout features of the Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter is its slim and compact design. It's hardly noticeable when mounted on the back of your tank, making it an excellent choice for nano and pico tanks up to 5 gallons. Nobody likes a noisy filter that disrupts the peace in your aquarium. The Nicrew filter operates quietly, ensuring it doesn't overly disturb your aquatic fauna. It's perfect for keeping sensitive creatures like shrimp or betta fish. Ever worried about what happens when the power goes out? Not with this filter. It comes with a patent-pending priming system that ensures it auto-restarts when power is interrupted and then restored. Setting up the Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter is a breeze. It comes with everything you need right out of the box, including the filter body, intake tube, extension tube, intake sponge, and filter cartridge. Let's dive into the technical specifications of this amazing hob filter. The Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter measures 4.5 by 3.5 by 2.9 inches, which is incredibly compact. It boasts a maximum output of 42 GPH, ensuring efficient water circulation. Despite its power, it's energy efficient, running at just 3 watts. This versatile filter fits aquariums ranging from 2 to 5 gallons, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. Now, before we wrap up, let's address some common questions you might have about this filter. Yes, the filter tube can extend to accommodate different tank sizes. And no, the water doesn't need to be filled to the top to use it. Absolutely. The Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter will automatically restart after a power outage, ensuring your tank remains well filtered. While this filter is primarily designed for fish tanks, it can also work in turtle tanks, provided they are within the recommended size range. And there you have it, folks. The Nicrew Slim Aquarium Filter is a game changer for anyone looking to maintain a clean and healthy aquatic environment. Its compact design, quiet operation, and innovative features make it the best hob filter on the market. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in getting one of these fantastic filters for your aquarium, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off, and remember to keep those fish tanks clean and your aquatic friends happy.